Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make Christmas ornaments with styrofoam balls and fabric. First, gather your materials. You'll need one styrofoam ball, about 3 inches in diameter, for each ornament. Next, select an assortment of festive fabric scraps, ensuring each piece measures at least 4 inches by 4 inches. You'll also need a craft knife, a ruler, a pencil, and a small, blunt tool, like a butter knife. Finally, have a hot glue gun and some decorative ribbon or string on hand for the finishing touches. Now, let's prepare our styrofoam ball and fabric. Take your styrofoam ball and, using a ruler and pencil, mark lines to divide it into 4 equal sections. Carefully use your craft knife to cut shallow grooves along these lines, about 1/4 inch deep. Next, take your fabric scraps and cut them into squares or rectangles, each measuring approximately 3 inches by 3 inches. These pieces should be slightly larger than the sections you'll be covering on the ball. It's time to apply the fabric to your ornament. Take one fabric square and center it over one of the sections on your styrofoam ball. Using your blunt tool, gently push the edges of the fabric into the pre-cut grooves. This will secure the fabric firmly in place. Carefully trim any excess fabric that extends beyond the grooves, creating a neat edge. Repeat this process for all 4 sections of the ball, making sure the fabric is smooth and taut for a beautiful finish. For the final touches, let's secure and prepare your ornament for hanging. Apply a small amount of hot glue along the seams where your fabric pieces meet. This adds extra security and a polished look. Next, cut a piece of decorative ribbon or string, approximately 8 inches long, to create a hanging loop. Form a loop with the ribbon and secure its ends to the very top of your ornament with a small dab of hot glue. Allow the glue to dry completely before proudly displaying your beautiful, handmade creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.